Welcome to Denny's Roofing, LLC, your expert roofing contractor in Arvada, Colorado, and its surrounding areas. We specialize in roof repair, replacement, and installation services that are top quality and affordable. Our team of skilled professionals has years of experience in the industry, and we use only the best materials and equipment to ensure that your roofing project is a success. If you need a reliable and trustworthy roofer in Arvada, Colorado, look no further than Denny's Roofing, LLC. We understand that a roof is a crucial investment for your home or business, and that's why we offer a wide range of roofing services to meet your unique needs. Whether you need a full roof replacement in Arvada, Colorado, or a minor repair, we are here to help. Our team will work with you closely to figure out the best solution for your roofing needs and give you a detailed estimate for the work that needs to be done. At Denny's Roofing, we are committed to providing exceptional customer service and satisfaction. Our goal is to make your experience with roofing as stress-free and enjoyable as possible. We offer a 100% satisfaction guarantee on all of our services and stand behind our workmanship with a warranty. Don't wait until it's too late. If you're in need of a roofing contractor in Arvada, call us today at 970-808-0247. Or visit our website at www.dennysroofingllc.com/arvada-roofing-company to schedule your free consultation. Let Denny's Roofing, LLC take care of all your roofing needs, and rest easy knowing that you have the best team on the job.